Hi, I'm Grace Spinelli, Product Manager at Green Creative, and today I'm going to walk you through the latest in Green Creative innovation, our patent-pending, one-of-a-kind PinFit PLO series. PinFit helps reduce the time you spend auditing and retrofitting your site. Our modular socket design and embedded universal driver make the PinFit suitable for any PL lamp retrofit application. You can easily alter this lamp from 4 pins for direct installation to 2 pins for direct or bypass installation in the field. Simply remove the adapter with a screwdriver and the lamp is transformed and ready to install. Our embedded universal driver allows the PinFit to perform in electronic ballast, magnetic ballast, or no-ballast environments. PinFit lamps can be installed either vertically or horizontally with 360 omnidirectional light distribution, creating uniform and pleasant lighting. PinFit lamps are available in 6.8 watt and 9 watt models, 4 color temperatures, and are suitable for replacing most 13 to 26 watt CFLs with G24 lamp base types. They have a rated lifetime of 50,000 hours and are backed by our industry-leading 5-year warranty. Learn more about how Green Creative is revolutionizing the PL landscape with our PinFit PLO series by visiting our website at greencreative.com, and be sure to follow us on social media as well. See you next time.